Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how you can embed a PDF directly into your Webflow website, so let's get started. First, it's important to know that Webflow doesn't host PDF files directly. So you'll need to upload your PDF to an external hosting service like Google Drive, Dropbox, or your own web server. Once you've chosen your hosting option, go ahead and upload your PDF to Google Drive. Right-click the file, select Share, then click Advanced and change the access to Anyone with the link. Save your settings and copy the shareable link. Now, to display your PDF on your site, you'll use the Google Docs viewer. Replace the sample link in the embed code with your PDF's direct URL. In Webflow, open the page where you want your PDF to appear. From the Add Elements panel, drag an embed element onto the canvas. Inside the embed element, paste the following iframe code and replace the URL with your own. Use this code then. Click Save and Close, then preview your site to make sure the PDF displays correctly. You can adjust the height and width of the iframe if needed to better fit your layout. And that's it. You've just embedded a PDF into your Webflow site quickly and easily. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.